if we are looking for a microphone that doesn't require a battery, that doesn't have a very long cable or cord, you don't have to plug it on your body, that is cheap, this is the right video to watch. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's aimieeemaduka. Today I'll be putting up a review on a microphone, which is Boya by MM1 cardioid microphone, and it is very when I say helpful, do you know why I said that? Because it's wireless, right? With a camera. I just have to plug it to my camera. Yeah, so this is me unboxing the mic, which I got from Jumia, Nigeria, and here we go. The mic is really nice and really lightweight. It comes with an aluminum construction, which includes a shock mount, a carrying pouch, and a fuel windshield. So this is it in the video here. So I just attach it. I attach the shock mount to the mic before I attach it to my smartphone or my camera. The shock mount helps with stability while filming. The 3.5 mm to 3.5 cable for cameras. The furry windproof shield is so soft and is for minimizing wind and environmental noise and for outdoor recording, which makes the sound crystal clear. Don't worry, this step is actually easier than it looks. I just slot the shock mount to the side of the camera here and tighten it, and it's actually very easy. You can just unlock it back and slide out. Well, another observation about the mic is you can't use it for a very long distance. Like, you can't use it for more than 5 meters away. That's just the con about the microphone. I know I've talked about a lot of pros while I was describing the microphone, and well, that's the problem or the issue with it. And if you don't have that port, you have to get an adapter to connect to it. Another thing is it doesn't have noise cancellation, but it picks sounds at very close range. You can see how I'm raising my voice and it's actually catching it at the same time. Yeah, that's what the mic does. But then I can actually do this. I can move around. I don't have to stress. I mean, I'm not trying to shade other type of microphones, but I don't have to like pin things and be very wary of cords scattered around. You can use it for other kind of vlogs, but at really close range of 5 meters. 5 meters or 5 okay, yeah, 5 meters. Not so bad. I mean, that's how far it can pick sounds. I'm going to put the link in the description box from where I purchased it. That's in Nigeria. Tell me why you've not purchased this mic. Look forward to more content from me. I mean, I'm here. I talk about DIYs, tech, reviews, fitness, beauty. Just keep it coming, okay? Bye.